So I'm still here at Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf tambay while waiting for the time nga mag-start ang Grand Fireworks display diri sa Ayala Center, Cebu. And while nagtambay-tambay ko today, I would like to thank Lloyd again for this sumptuous treat. Thank you, good kayo. And thank you so much, Coffee Bean. Mahulog na nun ako tinulog. Thank you, Coffee Bean, for this treat. And, I've always been a fan of this coffee shop. I just feel that what they're serving is really, really good and also affordable. So, we'll continue to make tambay here at the Coffee Bean Tea Leaf that is Terraces, Ayala Center, Cebu. And maybe about 30 minutes or before 9, so sometime around 8:30, we'll be going out. I believe nasa Mayrostan's nice nga view for the grand fireworks display, and I'll show you later kung sa'yo kanindot ang ilang display for this year. So they've been really displaying very, very great and nice fireworks over the last few years, and I'm so excited for this year's fireworks display. Balik-balik mo, but that's the way it is. So I'll see you again later on. I'll just take a bite of this sumptuous goodies given by our friend Lloyd. And thank you so much, Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf, for this treat. So let's indulge. Alright, so let's try this out, and I don't know the name of the pastry, but we're gonna dig in and try this delicacy. So let's give it a bite. Very, very good. Do you familiar with yung taste? I just can't remember. Isa siyang food or basta croissant. I guess that's the food that I'm referring to. May yung texture, but wala na siya Krispy Kreme glaze because of the sugary coating on top of it, but overall it's really, really good. And I also like texture. Kaya na siya more of foodie. I'm not sure. Like cream in between the layers of the bread. I don't know. I think so. It's really, really good. It tastes sweet. Now, I guess it's perfect for brewed coffee. Their Americano coffee is really nice. That's what I usually order if I plan to stay awake. It's really strong and makes me alive all night long. So it is a great pair. This one that I'm eating right now and the Americano brewed coffee. So yeah, let's continue to eat and dig in as we wait for the fireworks display later on. And yeah, again, thank you so much, Lloyd and Coffee Bean and Chili, for this treat. I really, really like it, and hope na pila is not, kidding aside, thank you so much for also the discount. You know, every time I come into your store and you're there, thank you for giving me that, extra treat discount sa akong mga orders. So, ako nakikag na na-impart, sa akong stay, or what we call this, every time I visit Coffee Bean. Ako na dito kasi because of your treat. So thank you so much again for this, and we'll be right back. So that concludes our Sinulog getaway today, this 2020. We just finished watching the fireworks at Ayala. The display is great. I just didn't have a great view kay nasalipdan sa atop, but it was indeed spectacular. So I'm on my way out. Mangita ko sakyan. Most likely habal-habal kay medyo traffic na ron. And so I guess that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for tuning in. Have a great night.